Happy morning, children. We are going to solve practice set 12.2, where you have been asked to find three consecutive natural numbers. And the condition given is 5 times the smallest number is 9 more than 4 times the greatest number. So, first of all, the meaning of consecutive you should know. Now, you know the smallest natural number is 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. These are all natural numbers. There are infinite natural numbers. So, if I take, say, for example, number 4. 4 is a natural number. If I take 4, the next number I will get by adding 1. So, if to 4, if I add 1, I will get 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Now, to this 4, if I add 2, I will get 6. So, what is the meaning of consecutive natural number? One after another. So, if I say, let the first natural number be m. I don't know the numbers. I have to find the numbers. So, if I'll write, let the first natural number be m. Therefore, what will be the second natural number? Second consecutive. Consecutive means after the first which comes. Second consecutive natural number is equal to m plus 1. Okay, the second number it is. Then the third consecutive natural number is equal to, it will be to the first number we have to add 2, then you will get the third number, right? The third consecutive natural number will be m plus 2. We don't know. Okay, here as you can see, first natural number is m, therefore its consecutive natural number, that is the second number, will be m plus 1, and the third number will be m plus 2. We don't know, so we have written it in this way. Now the condition is given 5 times the smallest. Now you can see very well, I give you the example of 4. So m will be the smallest, and which will be the greatest? M plus 2. Here how we got 4 plus 2, it is the greatest. So from the given condition, five times the smallest number means 5 times means 5 into m. 5 into m. Okay, 5 times the smallest number is means is equal to 9 more. 9 more means I have to add 9. 9 more than 4 times the greatest number. Now 4 times the greatest number will be, here m plus 2 is given, so it will be 4 into m plus 2. Okay, I'll just write it again here. 5 into m is equal to 4 into m plus 2. 4 times means 4 into m plus 2. The greatest number. The greatest number is m plus 2 plus 9. Now you have to solve this. 5 into m is 5m is equal to 4 into m is 4m. 4 into 8 is 4 into 2 is 8. See this way we are applying in lower classes you all have studied. A into b plus c is a into b plus a into c. So 4 into m is 4m. 4 into 2 is 8. This plus sign you have to write. Okay, plus 9. Now plus 4m, take it to LHS. You will have minus 4m is equal to 8 plus 9, 17. So you will get 5m minus 4m is m. m is equal to 17. So the first natural number we have got 17. Second natural number will be m plus 2. So we can write therefore what they have asked, find the number. So first natural number. First natural number is equal to m is equal to 17. Second natural number is equal to m plus 1, which is equal to 17 plus 1, 18. And third natural number will be equal to m plus 2, which is equal to 17 plus 2 is equal to 19. This way you can write. Therefore, the numbers are 17, 18 and 19. So, we have got our three numbers, three consecutive natural numbers.